Please start from the upper left corner and read clockwise. In April 2014, CCTV reporters randomly purchased 5 kinds of rice from a supermarket in Wuhan, China, 3 of which contained BT63. Scientists have developed genetically modified rice to solve the problem of poor nutrition of vitamin A in poor people. Transgenic rice is insect-resistant and has significant lethal effect on borers, but insect pests may develop resistance to insecticides. GM rice can resist herbicides, but GM rice can transmit genes to inbred plants through pollen, which makes other plants also have the characteristics of GM rice, such as herbicide resistance. If herbicide-resistant genes spread to weeds, there will be even more superweeds, endangering food production and disturbing the ecological balance. The use of GM rice pesticides is low to avoid environmental pollution, but planting GM rice may cause more weeds. Farmers need to use more pesticides to kill them, and cause environmental pollution. Genetically modified rice produces high yields and can solve food shortages, but it affects biodiversity. Strong genetically modified organisms can cause the extinction of native varieties and damage biodiversity. For example, the gene pool of wild rice will be polluted, thus damaging the conservation of biodiversity of wild rice. It may also harm other organisms, such as butterflies and ladybugs, that help control pests, thereby endangering the entire ecosystem. GM rice promotes productivity and drives related industries, but there is a conflict of interest. Non-GM rice can be contaminated by gene flow, which will endanger the supply of non-GM rice, disrupting the market and possibly causing economic losses. According to the 2007 report, since September 2006, China's rice products have been frequently worn by the European Union and the Japanese market because of their premature delivery without approval, bringing economic losses to the country. Many GM rice research teams have dual identities, both as researchers in national institutions and as shareholders in seed companies, and are clearly driven by interests. On January 5, 2015, the transgenic insect-resistant rice was awarded the Certificate of Agricultural Genetically Modified Biosafety by the Ministry of Agriculture again, but it has potential human health crisis. An article published in the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Science News, summarizes the possible harm of genetically modified food to human health into 3 points. 1. Genetically modified rice toxins in the products can cause acute and chronic poisoning or carcinogenic, teratogenic and mutagenic effects. 2. Immune or allergenic substances in crops can cause allergic or allergic reactions in the human body. 3. Changes in major nutrients, micronutrients, and antinutrient factors in genetically modified products can reduce food intake. Nutritional value makes its nutritional structure unbalanced. Scientists have developed genetically modified rice to tackle malnutrition, but genetically modified rice may lead to a health crisis, which is a contradiction brought by science. Is the progress of science and technology good or bad for mankind? The purpose of science popularization is to spread the scientific spirit of not blindly following